Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are going to be making stuffed zucchini bites. And I did most of the prep work on this. We still have a little more mixing to do with our stuffing here. We have some ground beef. I have approximately 3 pounds in here. It might be a little bit too much, but it's okay. We'll use it for something else. And I have a chopped onion, and what I did was I used one of these tools here that I have to hollow out the zucchinis. This pushes down in there and locks into place. And what you do is cut the zucchini, and then I pushed it through and turned it and hollowed it out, just like so. And that's what we're going to stuff the meat. And with the pieces that I took out, the zucchini, I took it, put it in the bowl here, chopped them up, along with some onion. I have a chopped up onion in here. And we got a few more things we're going to add to it. We're going to add some Parmesan cheese. We're going to add some breadcrumb. And we're going to add a couple of fresh cloves of garlic. This definitely brings out the flavor a little more with the garlic. And now we're going to mix it up a little bit. Now, just to top it off, we are going to add some salt, pepper for flavor, a little bit of parsley, and 1 egg. And that should do it with the meat. Mix this up real good. Get us a spoon. Now, I get a scoop of meat here, and I'll show you what we'll do. Kind of put it in here like so. There we go. Get a big one here. Okay, just like so. We'll do one more. I think everyone gets the idea of what to do here. And by the way, that little tool that I use to put the holes in the zucchini, you can get them off of Amazon.
What's it called?
That's a good question. I don't know what it's called. I'll have to look it up and put it in the, try and put it in the description. And we'll do one more. All right. Now we'll do the rest of this in a little bit, but right now we're going to get our sauce ready. For our sauce, we will use 1 stick of butter. Some pepper. We got like 16 ounces of milk, some flour, some salt, and some onion. That'll definitely give that sauce some flavor. All right, we're going to melt this down. While we're melting this down, and we're going to fill in the rest of these zucchinis, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, we are back. Our zucchinis are stuffed, and our gravy is ready. And we are going to pour this in here. Look at that, nice. That's looking like some nice gravy right there. All right, now our last finishing touch. We're going to top this off with some more Parmesan cheese. Sprinkle some on top. Tina says the whole bag. She loves her cheese. Well, we're pretty close to the whole bag. Might as well use it out, right? All right, now I guess if someone didn't want Parmesan cheese, they could probably use some mozzarella or any other cheese that you might like. All right, now we're going to put this in the oven. Our oven is preheated for 350, and we are going to put this in here for 35, 45 minutes. See how it does. We'll check it at 35, and if it's ready, we will be right back to show you the finishing product. All right. All right, guys, we are back, and our stuffed zucchini bites are done, and they are looking good. All right, let's give it a shot here. Let's pull out a nice one here. Nice, good size one. Let's cut into it. There you go. Nice picture of it. Look at that. It's look good. Now for the final test. Let's take a nice bite of it. Mmm. Mmm. Hot. Mm. Mm. This is good. Definitely give this a thumbs up. And definitely everyone should give this a try. It's a good recipe. Very easy to do. Doesn't take that long except for the prepping. But once you get it in the oven, it's pretty easy. Alright guys, hope you liked this video. Again, give it a like and subscribe. Give us some comments. Everything helps us grow this channel. We're working hard at it. Alright, see you next time. Bye for now.